sending you a warm wish for strength and inner calm today. Thank you for joining our community. There is a special kind of magic in a small garden, an intimacy that larger spaces can rarely capture. Today, we are diving into the art of rustic backyard transformations, where every texture tells a story and every corner is a destination. Let's discover how to reclaim your outdoor space and turn it into a private, sun-drenched sanctuary that celebrates the beauty of slow living. In a small backyard, privacy often feels like a wall, but with reclaimed timber, it feels like a story. Imagine boards of silvered cedar or old barn wood, each with unique nail holes and sun-faded grains, standing as a sentinel between you and the world. These screens don't just block the view. They provide a warm, textured backdrop for your plants. As the sun moves across the sky, the wood changes color, turning a simple boundary into a living piece of art that anchors the entire garden in history. There is a specific grounding rhythm to the sound of footsteps on pea gravel. In a compact space, a winding gravel path creates the illusion of a longer journey. It forces you to slow down and listen to the crunch beneath your feet. Unlike cold, flat concrete, gravel feels organic and permeable. It invites the rain to soak in and encourages you to wander, making a 10-foot walk feel like a deliberate stroll through a sun-drenched countryside lane. There is a hard-working, honest beauty in the matte gray finish of a zinc bucket or a galvanized trough. These containers bring a touch of the industrial farmhouse to the backyard. Imagine them clustered in a corner, holding a chaotic mix of wild ferns and structured boxwoods. The cool metal acts as a perfect foil to the vibrant green leaves, suggesting a garden that is both resilient and refined. A place where the utility of the farm meets the elegance of the home. Imagine brushing your shoulder against a wall and being met with the scent of rosemary, mint, and lemon thyme. When ground space is a luxury, we look to the sky. A vertical herb wall turns a functional fence into a sensory experience. It brings the fragrance of the earth to eye level, making your morning coffee or evening glass of wine feel like a trip to the Mediterranean. It's a space saver that feeds both the kitchen and the soul. Even the smallest yard can hold the warmth of a fire. A fire pit built from a regular local fieldstone feels like it has been there for centuries. It becomes the emotional heartbeat of the garden, a place where the flickering flames draw people close. Surrounded by the scent of wood smoke and the dark silhouette of the trees, the small backyard is transformed into an ancient gathering place, proving that the best conversations happen under the stars. A mirror in a garden is a piece of pure visual sorcery. By placing a distressed arched mirror frame against a back wall, you trick the eye into seeing a path that continues or a hidden room just beyond the ivy. It catches the reflection of the sky and the movement of the birds, doubling the light in shaded corners. It's a sophisticated design trick that makes the walls of a small yard simply disappear, replaced by the feeling of an endless leafy estate. There is a tactile warmth in old fruit crates that feels quintessentially rustic. Stacking them in a staggered pattern allows you to create a library of plants in a tiny footprint. Imagine one crate holding a collection of shaded mosses, while another above it spills over with bright nasturtiums. These crates carry the history of the harvest into your backyard, providing a rugged modular geometry that organizes the space while keeping the atmosphere relaxed and unpretentious. As the soft light catches the texture of the stone and the garden settles into a quiet hush, we're reminded that beauty isn't measured in square feet. A small rustic backyard is a beautiful promise that we can always find a place to breathe, no matter how busy the world outside becomes. We hope these images sparked a bit of magic for your own outdoor journey. Until next time, may your home always be a place of profound peace and simple natural grace.